Nagsasuffer ka din ba sa matinding hair loss? Lavajoy Hold Me Tight Pro Shampoo and Conditioner can help you. Their shampoo is an amino acid-based shampoo enriched with ginseng, ginger, caffeine, and capsaicin to reduce excess oil, minimize hair fall, and strengthen hair roots for healthier and revitalized hair. Their conditioner is also enriched with ginseng, ginger, and capsaicin, packed with camellia seed oil, walnut seed oil, argan oil, and sweet almond oil for smoother and shinier hair. Kung alam niyo lang kung gaano ako nagsuffer sa hair loss ko last month, tipong di na ako nagsusuklay kasi katakot-takot na lagas yung nararanasan ko. Yung kahit saang parte ng bahay merong lagas ng buhok ko. Kahit hawakan mo lang may sumasama ng buhok. Kaya sobrang stress ko talaga noon to the point na gusto ko siyang pagupitan. Buti na lang nakilala ko tong Hold Me Tight Pro Shampoo and Conditioner ng Lavajoy. It's been 2 weeks na simula nung gamitin ko siya. And ang laki ng improvement niya sa buhok ko. Isa mo pa'y nakaka-addict niyang yayamanin na amoy. Hindi ko na siya ikikip ha. Kaya try nyo na rin